Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate it. This week we're doing something we've never done before. And you hear about this when it comes to kids, but you don't really hear about this when it comes to adults. And today we are at Portland's Adult Soapbox Derby. Okay? We'll see what happens. Let's get soapy. You can see people are coming in. We're right towards the finish line, which is down there about 100 yards. And not all the derby entrants are going to make it all the way down from the top. Some will crash, but we'll see what we see. They do have food carts and booths with libation for spectators to participate in while they watch. I think it's supposed to be about 91 today. Right now my Apple Watch says it's 61, and it's about a minute or two from the supposed start of the race. So I'm thinking it'll be at least 80 by the time it gets done. And we do have a little bit of shade to step back into if we choose. People come up here and they don't know that there's like 10 minutes in between heats and that kind of stuff. So what happens is, if they're as old as I am, their legs start to give out and have to leave early. Or they may be part of the attention economy and they've got ADD. They can't afford to just sit and wait. They don't have the patience, so they begin to leave. But we didn't stay for the whole thing for my legs. My legs started to give out. So If you liked this, give it a thumbs up. You might think of subscribing. I can always use subscribers. And if you want to support the channel, there's a little thanks button down below, and you can click on that and help support the channel. And we've got something else coming on next week, and we will see you next week.